guys, welcome to my video. Just important to note, I don't actually have a spotlight on my bookshelves. A possum stood on my downlight and it flipped. So that's fun. Just thought I'd give some brief context before you watch the video. Obviously, this video is from Christmas 2021. I know what you're thinking, Jay, what a weird time to, one, upload a Christmas video, and two, upload a video that's 2 years old. I completely agree. I know, I get it. Basically, the Christmas that you're about to watch, I was not well. I was having breathing problems. So I started filming with good intentions, but I didn't get the editing done. It was just too much. But I thought, first and foremost, even though I felt sick, I tried really hard to vlog, and so I thought it would just be sad just to never use that, because I felt horrible. By the way, it's so hot. If you can see me sweating, I'm so sorry. I felt horrible, and yet I still filmed. I didn't want to do a disservice to my sick little past self and not put anything up. The second half of the video is just little bits of vlog. It's basically nothing but little bits of vlog that I filmed. But also, I filmed lots of Lego, and I'm not gonna not put that up, obviously, because Lego videos are my favorite, and you girl didn't get to editing all this together at Christmas time. So that's why you're getting a Christmas video in February. At the moment, I'm just playing catch up with stuff I edited when I was sick, and then I'll get into more recent stuff soon. My next video is Christmas from this year, so I'm not really good at doing things on time. I hope you enjoyed this brief festive video. Enjoy me having a breakdown about saying Christmasiest. And as always, thank you so much for watching, especially if you watch this video. I hope you enjoy it anyway. Okay, bye. Guys, I have an obnoxious amount of Lego to build. It's the most Lego that I've had in a very short space of time, except I haven't been able to build it because I've been feeling sick. I'm really excited, but I just have to find the energy to actually build them, and I want to feel good when I build them. So today I'm building this wonderful gift that my mother got me. I said that I was really interested in getting it, and then next thing I know, she's saying, maybe don't buy that for yourself because you might already be getting it. That really just sums up my mother if you don't know her. So today I'm building the wreath. Oh, guys. And also you can lay it down. So yes, this is what I'm building today. Also, side note, we're not just leaving this as a top. We do normally put hessian around it. We just haven't gotten to it yet, so bear with us. Got my Coldplay Christmas sweater on, which I love so much. Got my Christmas tea and this beautiful giant Christmas candle Mum got for me. It's vanilla nutmeg. It smells like cinnamon toast. And I'm about to watch the Princess Switch. Terribly bad, but so festive. I love it. It's so cute, but it's so cool. So you can have it 5 different ways. How cool is that? Hey guys, it is the next day now. Yes, I am about to build another Lego. I'm really excited about this one. Early this year, I just found an ad came up, I think on my Instagram, for a website called Brick Only. It was advertised as having discontinued and hard to find Lego thing because I'm very new to Lego. There's a lot of older sets that I really wish I could have gotten, but they have heaps of the Lord of the Rings ones, which I still wish we had. Why do we not have those anymore? I didn't even know this existed. It's a Christmas Carol Lego. I have no idea when this is from. 2020. Maybe I just missed it. I didn't know it existed, and I have it. I got it for myself as a little Christmas treat, and I'm gonna build it now. I'm gonna put a Christmas Carol on. I don't know which version yet. I'll have to see what's available. It's time for another Lego. I have so much Lego to build, and it's just the most exciting thing in the world. I feel very lucky to have all this Lego. So today's Lego, let's go get it. My Lego pile. I'm just absolutely buzzing because these are the ones that I'm like most excited about. Those two are gonna have to wait. And today we're grabbing this bad boy. How cool is this Lego? It's so cool. Look at this giant Christmas tree. It's another fabulous Lego combo for me because Harry Potter and Lego is one of my favorite things because Harry Potter is like my favorite thing in life. And so is Lego. My absolute favorite time of year is Christmas. I mean, can you tell? Christmas time and Christmas Lego is like, wow, my heart. I have Christmas tea, macaroni cheese. I'm gonna put on a Christmas movie. I'm thinking because it's a Christmas Lego, it needs to be like one of the Christmas. There is no T at the end of Christmas. It needs to be one of the Christmassiest. Christmassiest. Why is that so hard to say? I feel like I'm having a breakdown. Most Christmassiest. I can't. Why is this happening? It has to be one of the most festive Christmas films that there is. I got it. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus. Also, happy birthday month. Congrats. I'm thinking like one of the main classics. So I think I'm gonna go for The Grinch. Okay, let's go. So I've just finished bag 2 of 5. It's really fun. Look at this heckin' Christmas tree. Got Rudolph, a sleigh, toys, elves. This is the situation so far. Pretty cute if I do say so myself. I finished The Grinch and now I'm on to Home Alone 2. Another ultra festive film. That's my check-in. I don't have anything else to say. I'm gonna start bag 3 now. thought I would show you, because obviously I kept my last 2 Harry Potter advents, and then it occurred to me that because I have a lot of advents again, I couldn't just display the old ones next to the new ones. So I had to find a place the last 2 years of advents. It's a little bit hectic, but I think it's a good spot. They sit on my bookshelf. Doesn't that look cute? And I like that when I'm sitting at my desk, I can look over and see my festive advents. Put my little Christmas book from last year in front of the castle. Love this because I feel like they fit in all year round because they're snowy, so they're festive. Quick reminder that I'm obsessed with Sylvanian families. So Annie bought me the pack Sylvanian families with Christmas hats on. I love them so much. Last thing I want to show you, I feel like you'll either think that this is really cool like I do, or you think I'm really super weird. The Black Widow movie finally came out. Also have some thoughts on, but we don't. Nobody has time for that. Barbie did 2 different Black Widow Barbie dolls, and unfortunately I found out really late. So the one I really wanted was her in her white suit from the movie, and she looks insanely cool. That's the one I really wanted, but it was completely sold out. They did have this one. Oh, guys. I wish that I felt better so that I could show you how hyped I am about this, but I just don't have the energy. So you're just gonna have to appreciate that I think this is the coolest thing in the world. You might disagree, and that's fine, because I disagree with you. So we'll all live in harmony anyway. But isn't she sick? Look at her hair. She's got a little... Oh.
What do you think, man?